Hey everybody, James Scarlett here from Scarlett Machinery. Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the shop. We've been collecting machines here and in the supply chain dilemma that we're running into right now. I just want to let you know what we do have in stock available for immediate shipment. So we've got a wide Onsrud 241 G, so that's 8 foot wide by I believe 16 feet long. B&R controller. The techs have gone through it, and that guy is ready to ship immediately. This one's fairly fresh too. This is a 145G, so your standard 5 foot wide by 12 foot long machine. Just came in. The technicians have gone through it, and that one is ready to go as well. We've also got some demo Niederman dust collectors. Those can be sold at a demo price, so if you're in need of some inside dust collection, I'd be happy to help you with those. We've got a brand new Onsrud. This one's got kind of a unique table to it. It's a FANUC control machine, but this is a brand new machine, never been fired up, at least for production. We've gone through it and make sure that it runs, but these clamping systems actually hold some unique fixtures on here. So this is all mechanical clamping. We could take this off if you needed us to. We'd prefer to leave it on. So if you've got an application where we can adopt this to mechanical clamping some parts, be happy to help you with that. It's got some cool features on it. So if any interest, give me a call and I can talk through that with you as well. This just came in, even though it's in pieces. This came out of a facility fully running. This is an Anderson moving table machine. So it's like I said, it's in parts right now, but we can send you videos and pictures of what that looked like when it was running. 5-axis, 5 foot by 12 foot C-series Onsrud machine. Not a lot of hours on it. Great machine if you're looking to do some 5-axis work, low Z height. We've also got a Unimat Gold that's ready to go. The technicians have gone through that. That guy is ready to go out as well. We've got a 122S with a little bit higher horsepower spindle on it. This one probably needs a little bit more attention. The guys just got it in and they're just starting to go through it. But once we get that up to speed, that will be for sale here very soon. We got some ATEX saws in stock right now. If you're cutting aluminum extrusions, this saw is great for that. So even some big heavy duty extrusion profiles, this is a great saw for cutting extrusions. We've got a few of those in stock. We've got a Wining KM310 movable blade rip saw available for immediate sale. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's our current used inventory. So if any of those machines are interesting, or if there's anything else you're looking for, we've got a pretty good network of people that have machines that are looking to sell them. So even if we don't have it here, we could probably find it for you. So please give me a call. Thanks.